In front of me is LENOVO TAB P12 PRO, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, you need to click on Settings, scroll down and choose Security. Then scroll down over here, tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Then choose Continue and remember to keep your face in frame. After that, you need to select Done and click on Home button. Now, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!